Today I'm cooking a super simple prawn soup. It's a very quick, simple and delicious soup that is suitable for a main or side dish. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 110 grams of pork balls. This can be substituted with fish balls too. 110 grams of pork cut into thin slices. 550 ml of prawn broth. The recipe is in the See More link. 1 stalk of kailan with the stems and leaves separated. 1 stalk of spring onions with the white stems and the leaves separated. 90 grams of seafood tofu. 100 grams of prawns cut and clean. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 shiitake mushroom. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt on the pork slices and 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the prawns. Marinate until salt is well combined with the prawns and the meat. Switch on the heat. Add all the prawn broth in the pot. The balance of salt, sesame oil, oyster sauce, shiitake mushroom, kailan stem, the white part of the spring onions, pork balls, and seafood tofu. Give it a stir. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously and the pork balls and seafood tofu are cooked. Next, when the soup is boiling vigorously, add in the pork slices. Give it a stir. The thin slices of pork in the hot soup changes color really fast. Continue to cook for 30 seconds. Add in the kailan leaves and the prawns. Stir for even cooking. Cover the pot and continue to cook for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, the soup is starting to boil again. The pork slice and prawns are cooked now. Give it a taste. Oh wow, so tasty! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is super delicious and flavorful. Switch off the heat, sprinkle the spring onions, give it a stir, and we are done. Very quick and easy. Now we can dish it out. Garnish with fresh spring onions and crispy fried garlic. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The soup is tasty with the strong flavor from the prawn broth. The pork is soft and tender. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.